First of all, you have to know whether or not you have positive expectancy. Does your strategy over a long term not have positive expectancy as a computer would trade it, but as you would trade it? Can you prove over some period of time that you have consistency and that you're going to make money? Because most people are looking at their back-tested results, and back-tested results are looking at what's the ideal conditions or how that strategy would have been traded in the past. That's not telling you what's going to happen in the future. Those back-tested results mean virtually nothing. A lot of people think that at least they show whether or not the strategy has a chance. And that's still, really, it does not mean anything. It all comes down to what kind of consistency can you prove over a long period of time? Because ultimately, what you're trying to do is you're trying to make money for your future. And the only way to assure that you're going to be profitable in the future is if you have steady growth and no big drawdowns. The drawdowns send you back in time, right? Once you're gone back in time, you're essentially starting all over. And nobody likes starting over. Starting over generally means that you lost big time, you're dejected, you wasted all that time for nothing. Now you have to go back and do it all over again. You made some good moves and bad moves. You went through trials and tribulations. You bled. People yelled at you. And you came out on top, and then you gave it all back. That going back and forth, man, it is a killer to the soul. And it keeps you from having a positive outlook going forward. A lot of what goes into trading is believing that you can do it. So if you had a system where you knew that there was an edge, and if you just kept on doing this one thing, that over time, regardless of what the outcome is short term, that you would realize that edge. The ultimate goal is to compound. In order to compound, you have to have steady growth over a long period of time. And it could be a very long period of time, particularly if you're starting a new strategy and you're picking up from scratch. You've never done this strategy before. You don't know the ins and outs. You haven't experienced it in different market conditions. You have no idea. So you need to develop a routine and a process and start gaining some consistency in your actions, and then see what happens in low volatility or high volatility, and how much do I bet when I have this kind of market condition? How much do I have to pull back? And then get enough reps in for each one of those conditions that you can make some serious conclusion about how you have to do that in the future. That takes time. It's not like someone can give you a recipe and say, okay, trade this, and no matter what happens out in the market, you'll do well. That doesn't exist. There is no strategy like that. It just doesn't exist. The only way to make money over the long term is to take advantage of what the market is giving you.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.